Hello everyone, this is K. Surya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. This video, we are going to explore what reading skills are, how reading comprehension plays a part in developing strong literacy skills, and the steps you can take to improve your reading skills. First, let's see what are reading skills. Reading skills are abilities that pertain to a person's capacity to read, comprehend, interpret, and decode written language and text. Exceptional reading skills can be highly beneficial to assimilating and responding to written communications like emails, messages, letters, and other written messages. Using reading skills in the workplace can also be important for ensuring effective written communication, which can result in less miscommunication or misunderstanding of expectations. Reading skills can also encompass several key aspects that work together to develop overall literacy skill, including comprehension, fluency, vocabulary, and strategies that help readers interpret and find meaning in text. Now, let's see how to improve our reading skills. Reading skills visions a variety of skills that can permeate all aspects of life. Having strong reading abilities can enable you to interpret and find meanings in everything you read. And when you continuously improve these skills, you can develop your ability to communicate effectively through writing. Literacy encompasses so much of what we do that it can be a critical skill to possess both in your personal life as well as within your career. There are a variety of ways you might improve your reading skills. You might practice speed reading to improve your fluency or make notes each time you encounter unfamiliar vocabulary. Now, I'll list out some of the points to improve your reading skills further. Number 1, set aside time to read each day. Number 2, set reading goals. Then the third one will be preview the text you read. Then the fourth one, determine the purpose. And the fifth will be apply key reading strategies. Then the sixth, take notes while you read. And the seventh one, apply what you read by summarizing. If you keep all these 7 points in your mind, you can develop your reading skills, your communication, and the overall ability to interact with others and perform in your career can develop as well. Next, we are going to see the types of reading skills in English. Reading is not that much favorable by most of the students. They find reading textbooks very boring and tedious. But without reading, no one can succeed in their academics. Reading is really very essential for our academics, and having reading skills is too important for all of us. Reading is not just starting from the first word and going till the end. It is more about understanding the storyline of the whole discussion. There are many ways of reading newspapers, textbooks, and magazines, but There are some types where you don't need to read the whole page. With these types, you can save your lots of your time, especially at the time of examination. Next, we'll see in detail the types of reading skills. The first one will be scanning. Scanning types of reading is used to find the relative piece of information that one intends to get. Scanning is a very quick form of reading textbooks or other materials. Students read text just to find out the information that he is seeking for. When he gets that information, he just stops reading the text. Students find this type of reading very helpful when they visit any education and career trip. Next type is skimming. Skimming is like scanning and sometimes it is referred as just reading. Here you don't find a specific piece of information. Your target of skimming any textbook or newspaper is just to read the main points of concept or news. People find it very useful when they read newspapers and magazines. It is somewhat more complex than scanning because students need to memorize all the information he read. Skimming is not a good type of reading for ESL students who are learning English grammar. Next one is intensive reading. It is more time consuming than scanning and skimming. In intensive reading, students look inside the text. It is very important for ESL students as they can identify key vocabulary by the help of intensive reading. Students can improve their English vocabulary skills with this type of reading. It is totally classroom-based type of reading and students cannot get its help in exam time. The text learned in intensive reading is not more than 500 words. It is not for long-term uses because students forget everything after a particular period of time. The last type will be extensive reading. It is the master of all types of reading. If you ask me, then I will suggest extensive reading as the best of all other. In this reading, students read the information for their pleasure. Students read all the information given in the text because they feel happiness in gaining the knowledge. There is not limit of text that students read. Students read individually and silently. There is no pressure of reading boring text. One can read whatever or he or she wants to read. So, according to this video, we may follow the extensive reading method. Thank you.